Hi all, welcome back to Beyond Diary. Today I'm going to share with you a beautiful and easy tutorial. Let's learn how to crochet this beautiful leaf branch. And before that, a quick reminder, this is my Instagram page. I'll leave the link in description down below so you all can see my more crochet works and please do follow. So now let's get started. Today I'm using a cotton yarn and suitable hook for that. You can use any kind of yarn and a suitable hook size. So first I'm going to work a slip knot. Now work chain 7. Now what you have to do is skip 3 chain spaces and into the 4th one we're going to work 3 double crochet cluster. For that you have to start to work a double crochet into the 4th chain, but don't finish it. Now we have 2 loops in our hook. Now again yarn over and work another double and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now again yarn over, work another double crochet and pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now we're going to work yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Now here we have 2 loops on our hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2. So this is the leaf looks like. From here work chain 3 and we're going to work a picot. For that insert the hook from these 2 loops and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So this is a picot. Now from here work chain 4. Now we're going to work a slip stitch into that chain space. Here work a slip stitch. So here we done our first leaf. Now next we're going to do slip stitch into next 2 stitches, 2 chain spaces. So first work a slip stitch into the first chain space and in the next chain space also work a slip stitch. Now from here you have to work 7 chains. Here you have to skip 3 chain spaces and into the 4th one we're going to work 3 double crochet cluster. So you have to start to work a double crochet but don't finish it. Now you have 2 loops on a hook. Now again work another double crochet into the same space and don't finish it. And again do another double crochet into the same space but don't finish it. Now we have 4 loops on a hook. Now again yarn over, pull through 3 loops and again yarn over, pull through all. Now from your work chain 3 and make a picot. Insert the hook from that 2 loops and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now here we made a picot. Now from here work chain 4 and make a slip stitch into that space here. Now we're going to slip stitch into next 2 chain spaces. So here you can see the first chain space. We're going to work a slip stitch and now again work another slip stitch into the next chain space. So this is how it looks like. Now we done 2 leaves. Now here you have to continue work 7 more chains and continue work leaves like this till the length you want. If you see I made 7 leaves here. Always don't forget to make 2 slip stitches after a leaf for these 2 chain spaces. So now we're going to work the top part of this branch. So we're going to work chain 6. Now I'm going to work a 3 double crochet cluster into the 4th chain from the hook. Insert the hook from that 4th chain and work 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, here we made the cluster. Now we're going to work the picot. For that chain 3 and insert the hook from that 2 loops and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 4 and make a slip stitch into that space here. So here we have 2 chains left. For that we're going to work a slip stitch into the first one and another slip stitch into the second one. Now I'm going to work another slip stitch into this space. Instead of insert the hook from that one space, we have to insert from both loops like this. Now grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So here we've done our top leaf. This is how it looks like. From here we're going to work to the opposite sides of the leaf. So for that you have to work chain 6 and work a 3 double crochet cluster into the 4th chain. Now from here work chain 3 and work a picot. And now work chain 4 and make a slip stitch into that chain space here. Now we have 2 chains left. Now we're going to work slip stitch into that 2 chain spaces. In this place, we're going to work a slip stitch inserting from that both loops. So here we've done our turning first leaf. So this is how it looks like. Now we're going to work a slip stitch into that chain 1 space. And again, we're going to work a slip stitch into that space. Instead of inserting hook from a loop, you have to insert from both loops like this. Okay, here we're done. Now from here work chain 6 and work the next petal as before we done. All you have to do is just continue like this, making petals, and let's meet at the end. So here we done our last petal. Now here we have 2 chains left. For that we're going to work 2 slip stitches. And now we're going to work a slip stitch inserting hook from that both loop. And last, here we have only 1 chain left. Also for that we're going to work a slip stitch. And now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So this is how it looks like, the beautiful and easy the leaf branch. I hope you love this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Until that, take care. Bye bye.